Everyone and spirit. Today I'm going to speak about Western culture. So Western culture is very good culture, and there are many countries is good. Like if I talk about the technology, so in we go to the Japan. There are in Japan the technology is very high tech, and there are if I talk about the foods of the Western culture, there are many foods of the Western culture like momos, chow mein, and etc. And the but in Indian culture, the people of the India eat the momo, chow mein, and
Hi, good morning. Respected judge, teachers, and my dear friends. Today I stand before you to speak, and the topic is Indian culture and Western culture. And Indian culture is one of the oldest and richest culture in the world. It's it's give a lots of happiness and importance, emotions, and everywhere. And Western culture is a focus on freedom, self-independent.
after everyone and spirits. Today is the related day for me because I would like to break the so piece of quick topic that is Western culture is good. So the Western culture is good because in Western culture, if I talking about the food of Western culture, it's good, and if I talking about the clothes of Western culture, it's good, and because I say that the Indians eat the Western food, so why they eat it?
Good evening, good morning, everyone, and respect, sir. My name is Anurag. Today, I'm going to speak about Indian culture. In my according, Indian culture is good because India culture is the one. India culture is highly rich in the culture, and India culture is the one of the oldest culture in the world. And India have many monuments, and foreigner come to India and they visit to India like they went they go to Rajghat, they go and Rajghat, Taj Mahal, Red Fort, and so many places.
But so
And
also the Indians go to the Dubai and they see the Burj Khalifa, and they visit the wonders. And if, so if I'm talking about the cloth of Western culture, so the clothes of Western culture is good because the Indian wear it, and the all another country people wear it. So why the Indian wear it?
but my dear friends, foreigner come to India and they wear the Indian traditional clothes and they eat the Indian traditional food.
Because they eat it because they don't have food another food to eat, and they but lot of time the people Indians wear the Western clothes. So what about that?
But my dear friends, but Indian food is very delicious and very tasty.
Everyone, my name
So
is Nirvana Singh. Today I am going to speak about Western culture. So, in my opinion, the Western culture is better than Indian culture in so many things. First of all, we're talking about the language. The English language is very good language because we can use the English language in so many countries. And when we're talking about Hindi, so we can't go to we can go to another country and we can't speak Hindi,
My name
but
is
we can.
Rishi. Today I would like to tell you about Indian culture. So first of all, in the India, there are so many festivals and so many religions also. So in the festival like Diwali, Holi, there is a very beautiful festival. And in the religions, there are so many like Sanatan Dharma and Muslim Islam also. There are so many religions and you can see the monument. If I talking about a monument, so in the India, there are so many monuments like Taj Mahal, this is a symbol of love, and red forts also. And if I talking about food, so Indian national food is khichdi, as we all know that. And if I talking about of animal, and if I talking about of animal, so India national animal is a tiger, as we all know. So now I am speaking about of culture of India. So first of all, India cloth system is a very good like dhoti, kurta, suit salwar is also this is a Indian cloth system. And this is a very unique cloth system also.
If I'm talking about the Hindi language, so the Indians, the all the Indians can understand the Hindi language. So what about that?
First of all, foreigner visit in India, so speak in Hindi. And Indian people are very frank and friendly. And Indian food is famous, most famous food for foreigners. And people and Western culture are focus on freedom and self independent, and mostly people and mostly common people, Western culture in a live at living at 18 plus.
So the food, if you say that the food is good, so the why the Indians eat a lot of the Western culture food, and in any street you can get a stall of Western culture food, but you cannot get it in another country. So like momos, chowmin, French fries, you can get it easily in any street, but you cannot get the stalls of Indian food in any country. So can it? So what about that?
I would like to complete my point. In my according, India culture is good because India culture is highly rich in the culture, and India culture is the one of the oldest culture in the world. India culture is highly rich in the culture,
Yes.
and India is famous for the monuments and their famous places. And foreigner come to India and they visit to India, and they know the monuments of the India.
So also the Indians go to Dubai and they visit the Burj Khalifa. So it's normal. So if I talking about the clothes of Western culture, so in this time we will think you wear the Indian culture
Western.
Western. So why you wear that?
But my dear friends,
Continue my point. So firstly, I am talking about Indian culture. So in the India, there are so many clothes and there are so many monuments also. So I would like to tell you about the Indian monuments. So first the Taj Mahal, and second one is Red Forts also, and third is Rajghat also. So can you count some monument in Western culture?
Like Statue of Liberty,
And
and there are so many.
so tell me three, four.
I can tell you only two, because there are so many things that Indian are visited, that you can say, or you can also see that Indians people are wants to go outside for incoming the more. Can you tell me why Indians are going to Western countries?
Listen to me firstly. Do you know how many
No,
population
no,
of
no. Tell
India?
me my questions answers.
Because of the money.
Yeah.
Because in the we can see the Western currency more
Yes.
than the Indian
Okay.
currency.
Now I am wanted to
And
ask
I will
one.
count the
No, no,
some.
listen to me now. That you are saying that for the currency. So why Indian culture currency is less than other Western
Okay,
currency?
I count the some
No, no, no. Tell me.
countries.
No, no, no.
This
Tell
is
me.
a
What I ask a question, that tell me the answer. That why Western culture's currency is better than Indian currency.
I don't know. You tell
So
me.
you have don't knowledge of this topic. So you have don't
You are talking
understand
about
it.
of currency. Now you are not talking about of
No, I am asking
in
a
the
question.
Western
No, no,
culture,
I
bro.
am asking a one question from you, brother. That you
So
are.
I am also
So you are
asking.
starting this point. You are start this
I
point.
start the monument point, and you are talking about of currency.
So who start this point of currency? That
So you are
currency.
asking me question why Indian people go to another country. So I
Yes.
answered, and now you are talking about why Indian
So
currency
this is the
more
also a
less the
part of
Western currency.
this is the also part of our topic, brother. What are
So
you
now
saying? What are you saying?
India is a one, but Western culture is a more than the more countries. So how can we compare the
No,
one
no.
India and
Okay,
the
I
okay.
would
Western
like to
culture?
complete my point. In my according, India culture is good because so many places to visit in India, and foreigner come to India and they also they wear the Indian traditional clothes.
So the people of the India do not wear the Western clothes.
But my dear friends,
So can you tell me why the Indian people wear the Western clothes?
but my dear friends,
I
and
I
any
think- I
people
think-
wear
I
the
think the-
Western clothes.
I think
Not
the,
all people wear the Western clothes.
so I think
You can
the people
you
of the
can go
India
the
have
village
so
and
many clothes.
you can see and they wear the Indian clothes.
So in this time you wear Western clothes, Indian clothes.
Western.
So how can you say that?
But
So
my
you
dear
have
friends,
not-
all
you have
people
not any
all
Indian-
people do
in-
not
Indian-
wear the Western
Indian
clothes.
So I think you have not any Indian clothes. Indian clothes.
No, I have Indian clothes.
So why are you not wearing?
But my dear friends, all
अगर आप इस तरह के और भी वीडियोस देखना चाहते हैं तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और कमेंट बॉक्स में बताएं कि आप किस टॉपिक पर नेक्स्ट वीडियो देखना चाहते हैं।